Talofa and welcome to our church channel. We'll be having White Sunday tomorrow live at
8:30 a.m.
You'll catch us on
YouTube.
Please like, follow, and subscribe, and save that link to catch us live in action tomorrow at Waihimo e Whakasa.
Yes, Sue. We'll be going live tomorrow at what time? At 9. I thought it was at 8. What's up, guys? Welcome to our channel. We'll be going live for White Sunday tomorrow at
9 o'clock.
at
9 o'clock.
from
YouTube.
on Talofa and Wagwan and welcome to